We're here at Food Network Studios and we're about to taste some iconic foods from TV and movies.
Do you have a favorite food scene from a movie or TV show?
Yeah, I think that's probably the food fight scene from Animal House.
Are you a big movie fan or a TV person?
No, I never watch movies, so this is gonna be really hard.
Literally never?
I mean, like, occasionally.
When's the last time you went to the movies?
I went last week for the first time in months, so this is not a good moment.
So you're a liar.
Milkshake? Wait a second.
I wonder if this is gonna be like literally from a show. Oh, really?
Like a chai? I don't know. Let's chai it. Find out.
Do we even know if it's chai? Woo! That is sweet.
It's really good.
It kind of is good.
If I had to rate that,
Man,
out of 10, I'd give it a 9 3/4.
it's like a pound of sugar in there. I do get like a butterscotch flavor from this.
Oh, wait a second. Is this Butterbeer?
Butterbeer.
For sure.
From what?
From the movie Harry Potter, and I mean, there's like 14 of them.
All right.
But
This is amazing.
This actually is delicious.
It's like melted ice cream.
Yes.
Meets like caramel macchiato.
It's magical.
it does taste like just butterscotch melted. I don't know how to make it. Whoever did it is a wizard.
Yes!
Yeah. Triple layers.
So much Thanksgiving in there.
Oh my gosh, world. Look at this. Ready?
No, I don't think I am.
It's nothing.
And actually, somehow I haven't seen that many of these, but I feel like maybe it's Seinfeld.
All I can think of is like the Adele SNL skit at Thanksgiving.
I love a Thanksgiving sandwich.
It is.
Friends?
I call it the moist maker.
This is from Friends. If you have a friend who made this for you, they're not your friend.
Oh my gosh.
You know it already?
Is this Ratatouille?
Stop it. She's so good.
Is it from the movie Ratatouille?
It tastes like it was made by a skilled human.
A skilled human who was controlled by a rat.
Okay.
Whoa.
Is this Turkish Delight?
They look like candies covered in powdered sugar.
Look, mine's red, yours is like...
Mine's Lello.
Oh, I got mint.
Ooh, this is good. Yeah, they should never put mint in candy.
I've never seen these before a day in my life. Have you?
Could be Elf.
I think this is what Turkish Delight is. I really don't know.
Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe.
Ooh, that one.
The
She
Lion,
got it.
the
She
Witch,
got
and
it.
the Wardrobe?
Chronicles of Narnia.
Oh, they eat this?
There's a good 4.5 second scene where he's eating this. It's the most iconic 4.5 seconds in the movie.
Whoa.
Well, this is what I said before. This is Elf.
I hate you. You're getting all of them before I even like process what I'm looking at. I have no idea. It's like a lot of stuff on pasta.
Isn't this the scene where he like dumps the maple syrup on the pasta and then he
Who?
like Elf? Are these like the gumdrops and like marshmallows?
I see marshmallows.
and
I see nonpareils.
There's like gonna be definitely maple syrup
I think
on
I see
the
a Pop-Tart.
spaghetti. Definitely Pop-Tart.
It's a s'more Pop-Tart.
I love everything on this plate except spaghetti.
I love nothing on this plate but the spaghetti.
I've always wanted to eat this. I'm not kidding.
Yeah.
I used to want to be an elf, and I always wanted to be like close to Santa. Maybe if I eat
all of it.
all of it, I'll get my dream. This is what it takes to be an
Oh,
elf.
those are Skittles. That was a trick.
Just as bad as I was expecting. Did you get a good? Did you
I
get some
kinda
chunks
like
in
it.
there? Okay.
I got the s'more Pop-Tart.
The Butterbeer, it was a pretty interesting flavor. It was really sweet for me.
I was a big Harry Potter fan already, so now I am happy that I got to taste that. That was my favorite.
I feel like Buddy the Elf right now.
You feel like Buddy the
I need to
Elf.
go deliver holiday cheer to the office. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Network to see more episodes of Taste Test.